Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle grip case for the Z Fold 7. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for sending this out to me for a review. I did review the Unicorn Beetle Pro couple days ago, so you can check that out on the channel. I've been using Supcase for a while now, and they make some of the best heavy duty cases out there. You can pick this up from their website or Amazon. Look in the description. I will have the links to both places there. Also in this video, we'll make sure everything lines up, the overall fit of the case, can you wireless charge, does it have MagSafe on there, and if it does, how strong it is. We'll also make sure you get camera protection, do you get lip protection, just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Bam. Nice presentation from them. I love the size of these boxes. They're not too big this year. But it says Unicorn UB grip. Drop tested there. Done a warranty. It has the grip on there, so it's going to come with the built-in screen protector, which you can take off if you have a blow dryer if you don't want to use it. Bam. So if you don't want to use the built-in screen protector, you can definitely go ahead and remove that if you don't want it. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use it. So it has a little adhesive strips on there. And then, here's the back. So this one is a little bit different. It does have MagSafe on there. And look at that hinge too. That hinge is solid. Love that little grip on there too. And it has a little kickstand too, I believe. Yeah, look. A little kickstand there too. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to learn from my last time, is install this first. You want to install the front piece first. Snap it in there. Then you take the back piece. You just make sure it snaps. But look, ooh. I like how it shows off the beauty and not show off the beauty. So first thing, yes, you have a lot of camera protection there. Look at the lip protection you have. If they didn't even have the built-in screen protector, you still have a lot of protection there too. I love how they make that part clear. It's easy to get to the power button. I don't know why Jen is. Vine rockers are easy to get to. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything at the top too. The hinge has that great protection there. And then again, the overall fit, I mean, it takes a lot. It takes a lot to get this case out of there. So again, the fit has been great with all these cases. Now, and this one does add a little bit of bulk. I mean, look. It does add some bulk to your phone. This one is definitely a little bit more bulky than the other cases I've been reviewing. But this one protects it a little bit more, too. And then the kickstand. See, this bad boy get out of here some kind of way. This is what happens when you don't have nails. So if you want to use a kickstand like that, you can even use it like that if you wanted to. Yeah, the only way you won't be able to use it is like this. But if you wanted to use it like that, or like this, you definitely can. So the kickstand is there. I like that too. And I do like how they have MagSafe on here. The Unicorn Beetle Pro did not have MagSafe, so I'm glad that this one actually has it on there. And you have a kickstand too, so bam. The overall grip, I like the grip you have on this size here. And like I said, it does add bulk, but let's see how strong this magnet is. Okay. Yeah, you can, that magnet is strong and it rotates too. Does it pop off as a kickstand? No. It does rotate though. So, this oh yeah, that magnet is strong. Okay, Supcase, I see you. Yeah, look. You're not gonna be doing that to the case. So overall, yes, that magnet is strong on there. Bam. This one, I'm kind of liking this one more than the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Like I said, it has that screen protector. It is tempered glass, so you don't have that like feeling of cheap plastic. And if you want to take it off, you can definitely do so with some, you know, heat and remove it too if you don't want to have it on there. Bam. Now, let's wrap up this video. It does check off a lot of boxes for you. Everything lines up at the bottom and the top. You have camera protection. You have a lot of lip protection. Even without the built-in screen protection. The volume rockers and the power button are easy to get to. The overall fit is great. You don't have to worry about the phone just coming popping out using it. It has hinge protection on there. It has a little kickstand too. I think with the hinge protection also comes no scratches because it is so deep in there too. The only gripe that you might have is that it does make the phone a little bit bulkier. It's not as that thin phone, but these are the type of cases that you go, if you're going hiking somewhere, if you're going to be outside, maybe riding a bike or something, you throw this case on there just to give you that extra protection. So that's what I would use this case for. It's not like an everyday case for me, but you can definitely rock it if you wanted to. If you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have it in there. You can definitely pick it up from Amazon or their website. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.